Welcome to Siete Shop's channel. If you like creating your own unique designs, whether you're a tumbler maker, you like creating designs like this, or for a door hanger, or you like doing custom stickers, then stick around and I will show you how easy it is. Buying pre-made vinyl can get a little expensive, so I'm super excited to show you this budget-friendly method using AI, and I promise you this will take your crafting to the next level. Okay, first let's talk about what you'll need. You'll need a home printer. It can be inkjet or laserjet, either way, nothing fancy. You will need printable vinyl sticker, and of course, we're going to utilize the AI. And don't worry, I will list all these items down in the description below. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open up ChatGPT. Here on this drop down, you have the option to upgrade your services, and I believe the time of recording this video, it costs about $20, I believe, a month. This time we're just going to do the free version, and I believe you only get 5 images per 25 or 24 hours. We can leave it here. We can create images down here. We can also go to DALL-E. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce that correctly or not, but that's how I'm saying it. So, and here in the messages, you want to be as detailed as you want it to be. The more detailed you are, the better the image is going to be and the more quality it's going to be. So, we want to start with telling it to create an image that is highest resolution. We want the size. You want to add a size, whether it's 8.5 by 11, 12 by 12, whatever you design. For now, I'm going to say 12 by 12. Valentine's is just right around the corner, so let's go with that. Let's say that we want it to be with the colors in pink, red, and purple. Let's say we wanted to add some hearts, and maybe some swirls. What else? Let's make it a pattern. All right. And like I said, the more precise you are, the better your image is going to be. So once you've finished typing up as much detail as you want, go ahead and click on this little arrow. It will say generating image. It takes just a few seconds. Down here, it kind of gives you other options and stuff. So here's your images. And so here you can say whether you like it or not. You can click this down arrow to download your images onto your device if you'd like. You can also, sometimes it will give you suggestions to update it. You can say, let's make it holographic. Let's make this image holographic. However, it'll give you a little bit of different image. Every time you tell it to do something, it's going to create a different image. You can see totally different image from those, but it added some holographic on there. And like I said, here you can download, and for the free version, you get about 5 images, I think, every 24 hours. So down here, it kind of gives you suggestions of certain images that other people are searching for. So let's say, look at this cyberpunk. There's your hearts with holographic. So it kind of gives you different options down here that you can utilize. So if you want those different types of design, as you can see, each one is different on its own. So we're going to take those same commands into Microsoft Bing AI Generator. Anywhere you find an AI image creator, you can create images from. You don't have to be stuck with just one image generator. So we're going to paste those same instructions here. Now it's creating. Kind of similar, but it is showing like an image where it's on someone's desk. So let's say, make it a pattern. Let's say for printing. See here. This one you can use for printing. This one you can use for printing. This one probably not. So, like I said, everywhere you go, you're going to get a different image. Even if you put the exact same prompts on there, you're going to get a different image. Now, let's say we're going to add the holographic on here. Not quite holographic. This is a little bit holographic when you print it out, but I don't know. Let's say we like this. Click on it and you can download it and print it out. It's not exactly a pattern, but you can still use it if you like it. Also use Google as another option. So when you go into your Google account, you can click on the apps here, go to Gemini. Okay, so we're going to take those same instructions that we used up here in ChatGPT. We're going to place them into the Gemini, and you'll see the difference of the images. So here it kind of gives you some tips. Ask Gemini to find your images. If you don't like it, you can change the prompts. You can see the pattern here, and you can tell whether you like it or not. Regenerate. So if you want to have a new one, I'm not sure if Gemini has a limit of how many images you can generate per day. So let's regenerate and see what it says. Look at that. Totally different. Totally different look. So here you click on this down arrow to save it to your device. Now let's do that with the holographic. Say add holographic and see what it does. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? Every time you give it a command, it's going to generate a different image. Look at that. That is so cool. Once you've decided which image you want to keep or print, you can download it to your device by clicking usually the down arrow, or it will say download here, depending on which AI generator you're using. So let's go ahead and click on download. Once you've downloaded, you can open the file and you can either print it from here or use any other editing software such as Canva, Silhouette Studio. You can use Cricut, Photoshop. The thing I would warn you about with Cricut is if you're using it for stickers or customized stickers, that will work. Just know that if you're trying to print a whole page as of this date of this recording, even though Cricut has adjusted their printing sizes, you cannot print on a full 8.5 by 11 sheet. So unless you're doing stickers and you can resize those to fit that. So here you can print, click on your print options, and then follow your instructions on your printer to print it. here are your two images, and you can pretty much touch them as soon as they come out off the printer. Some people do decide to seal it with spray sealer and wait a couple of minutes before working on it. I've never had any trouble with this brand, so I just go ahead and work with it. So you can either work with this image and resize it in your editing software, or you can just wrap it all together onto your Tumbler. It looks gorgeous. Some people like to print things like this and then cover it with rhinestones. You can also put it on your Cricut and cut different templates if you'd like. But what do you guys think? Will you be doing this? It's gorgeous. It's not quite holographic, but it does give it that holographic look. Some things to keep in mind is that when you do print from home, you will be using a lot more ink. So also, whatever designs that you come up with, other creators might come up with something different that you might also like. Do I still purchase from other vinyl companies? Absolutely I do. I like to support small businesses. Drop a comment below if you're excited to try this out. Share your results with me on Instagram or TikTok. I would love to see what you create. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more DIY crafting tips. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a blessed one.